What if making your first app was as easy as typing a sentence? Let's see how Google Opal makes it possible. First, head to the Google Opal website. Next, hit Create New or pick a demo to remix. No coding required. Now here's the magic. Just tell Opal what you want your app to do. For example, type, create an app that suggests blog post ideas for small businesses. Opal's AI instantly builds a visual workflow for you. Think of it as your app's blueprint. Want to tweak how it works? Easily add steps, edit instructions, or fine-tune the AI's prompts. Then, make it yours by customizing the look. Choose a theme, add a catchy title, and arrange your input fields. Time to test. Try different inputs to see if your app nails it. Tweak and repeat until you're happy. Finally, share your creation with a simple link. That's it. App building made simple, fast, and a little bit fun. Give Google Opal a try and unlock your inner app creator today.